Tool hack, guys. Biggest price drop, as Joe the Two Guy says. So go out to his channel. Make sure you guys subscribe. Big shout out to him for posting this first. That's where I got this information. So yeah, guys, cutoff tool. This is the M12 12-volt 3-inch lithium brushless cordless cut-off saw kit with 4 amp hour battery, charger in the bag. It's a very complete kit. As you guys see, it does have some dust accessory, shoe, contractor bag, battery charger. You got the 4.0 amp hour battery. You got 3 different accessory blades, plus a wrench and the cutoff tool itself. So $199. You guys do select your free tool. Make sure you guys select your hack. If you guys want to hack it, or I'm trying to click on this and it's not working. All right. Maybe it's too early for the phone to be working, you know. So obviously you want to choose the most expensive tool that you have here if you want the tool, or if you want any of these tools. Obviously it doesn't matter. All right, so we're gonna select the ratchets. $149. All right, we're gonna view it in the cart. We're gonna see what's the price on this. And let's see here. All right, so we got the battery. That's the old. Sorry, disregard that. All right, guys, for the ratchet, you're gonna get it for $85. I can't stress this enough, guys. This is a really good ratchet for the DIY, for the professional, for the prosumer. This is a really good ratchet. If you don't have it, pick it up. All right, so $85 and 85.20 cents. 43% off. All right, guys, here's the tool. $113, guys. This is just a crazy deal. From $199 down to $113. 43% off. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. I'll leave Joe's. I don't know if Joe's has the Joe the Two Guy has the like an affiliate link or anything, but I'll leave his link down below in the description section of this video. So big shout out to him. Go subscribe, go over to his channel, say hi, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.